Hi everyone. This is an introductory video to the first chapter of the semester. Above this video, you will see a link to a set of slides that are outlines of the chapter. So every other week when we begin a new chapter, there will be an introductory video, and every week there will be a set of slides for you to use for that week's reading. The slides can be used for you to print out and to write notes on, or just to guide you along with the reading, because sometimes the reading can be somewhat technical, especially in the chapters where we discuss fallacies. So the book starts with the explanation or definition of critical thinking. What is critical thinking? Because it is a term that is thrown out all the time as if it is self-evident, but nobody really knows what it is or can define it clearly. So it is important for us to know what it is. At the most basic level, it is reasoning, how to do it and how to spot it. And secondly, you will learn what the standards are of critical thinking. And because it is such a broadly used term, it is very important for us to know the standards against which to measure any argument. And thirdly, you will learn about the benefits of critical thinking in the classroom, at workplace, and in your life. And I am sure you've been in many situations where you hear something and you say to yourself, that is not right. And you can't really say what is not right about what you're hearing or reading. And in this class, you're going to learn what is wrong. When you think something is wrong, you learn to define it. And fourth, you will learn about what the barriers are to critical thinking. And it is important to know because we've all been guilty of not using critical thinking when you needed to, when we needed to. And so it is important to know that. And a lot of barriers to critical thinking have to do with sort of a centric view, whether it's self-centric, group-centric, or community-centric, or country-centric. And that will be the indicating factor for any biases and otherwise on other types of wishful thinking or relativism. And number five, you will also learn what the qualities are of critical thinkers. And so stick to the qualities of critical thinkers, which is hard work, being a critical thinker, because you have to be thinking all the time. You can't just spit something out and expect your argument to be a good one. So be a critical thinker and think about things critically. And the chapter ends with this one paragraph, and it is very true of everything that you do in life. So I would like to read it to you. So this is the book, which you don't have the physical copy of, but here is the paragraph that I would like to recite. A course in critical thinking is like most other things in life. You get out of it what you put into it. Isn't that true? If you approach critical thinking as a chore, a pointless general education requirement you need to get out of the way before you can turn to more relevant, quote unquote, courses in your major, a chore it will be. On the other hand, if you approach critical thinking as an opportunity to learn habits of disciplined thinking that are vital to success in school, in your career, and in your life as a liberally educated person, it can be a rewarding and even transformative experience. So the importance of critical thinking cannot be emphasized enough. Not only do you become a clearer thinker, you become a better thinker. And as a better thinker, you just make better decisions in real life. And it's a lot of fun to engage with somebody who has no idea about critical thinking, and you give one after another reasons for why that person is wrong. So Have an open mind and let's do this. Bye.